Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your agent with your Slack app. I've already created my agent, so now it's time to move toward connecting it with Slack. Click on the deploy button because the first step is to deploy our agent. Now click on the Slack app option. Here, I need to add the required information. Click on basic information and it will take you directly to the Slack page. Now I'm creating a new Slack app. Click from scratch. Select your workspace and click create. All right, here I have all the fields I need. I'll start copying and pasting the details. So I copy and paste the information here. Now copy and paste the rest of the required values. Next, we need to add the redirect URL. Copy the redirect URL, go to OAuth and permissions, and add it under the redirect URL section. Click add, then save. After saving, we need to add our OAuth scopes. So the first scope we need is chat::write for sending messages, and some basic read scopes as well. Now click on the event subscription section. Copy the event URL, enable events, paste the URL here, and then add the events. Let me add the message event again. I've also enabled app home /commands and message events. After adding everything, click save. Now click connect. It's time to test. I'm opening the agent we just created. Let me say hi. Great. It's responding correctly, and that's how you can connect your Slack app with your agent. See you in the next tutorial. That's it. Thanks for watching.